Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to cancel a flight on Southwest Airlines. First, go to the Manage Reservation section on their website or app. Locate your reservation and click or tap on the Cancel option. You can cancel most flights directly online or in the app without needing to call customer service. If your flight has been significantly delayed 3 or more hours domestically, 6 or more hours internationally, or canceled, you may need additional instructions. The website and app also allow you to cancel part of your trip while keeping the rest of your reservation active. You can cancel your flight up to 10 minutes before the scheduled departure. For example, if your flight departs at 8 a.m. CT, you'll have until 7:50 a.m. CT to cancel. If you do not cancel or change your reservation, it will be subject to the no-show policy. If you want to cancel only part of a reservation with multiple passengers, you'll need to divide the reservation first. After dividing, you can cancel the specific flight for that passenger. Once done, you'll receive a new confirmation number for the updated reservation. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.